to remove Google account in Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Cloud and Accounts. Tap Accounts. Select Google account you want to remove. Tap Remove Account. Read warning, if you short tap Remove Account. Thank you for watching, have a nice day.